Food waste has become a topic of increasing concern, so much so that the Food and Drug Administration has set a goal of reducing food waste in the United States by 50% by the year 2030. So why is reducing food waste important, and what is it that we, as consumers, can do to help? There are two areas where we can easily feel the impact of food waste. The first is environmental. Organic waste, comprised mostly of food, is the second biggest component of landfill. The second impact is economic. Up to 20 pounds of food per person per month in the United States is lost to waste. This is the equivalent of throwing out $165 billion worth of food each year. Consumers can help reach the FDA food waste reduction goal by following a number of suggestions. For example, buy only what you need when shopping, and be careful when buying bulk goods that have a limited shelf life. Buy ugly fruits and vegetables at the grocery store. In other words, think about purchasing produce that has physical imperfections, lumps, bumps, or blemishes, but is otherwise perfectly edible. Become reacquainted with home canning techniques to preserve fruits and vegetables. Both the FDA and USDA websites have tips that can help you get started. By following these suggestions, we can all help reduce food waste. And remember, small steps can help tackle big problems. For more information, please visit sunup.okstate.edu or fapc.biz or download the FAPSI app.